Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. According to the information that I am about to share with you, economic experts do not believe President Salva Kiir promise that starting oil production again will help South Sudan economy recover. They say the country has a big problem and weak money management. Before we proceed, I would like you to help me by support my YouTube channel. Well, social expert James Boboya said many worry that South Sudan cannot pay back international loan because of these foreign lenders have taken the country to court many times. Boboya said the oil sector make money, but it is not enough to pay the government budget. He also said most people are poor and do not pay taxes, so the tax base is very small. Oil is only one part of making money, and even this part is not working well to pay the budget. Only about 8% of the people pay taxes, and most are poor and work in informal jobs, he said. Also, poverty has gone up from 45% in 2011 to 92% this year. This is not recovery. We are close to total collapse. We cannot borrow money, but we cannot pay it back. That is why investors do not want to come, and some are suing us in international court, he added. Lawyer Godfrey Victor agreed and said economic recovery will not happen soon. He said recovery need a long time with big change in policy, peace, and a strong institution. He also said money is badly managed. Even though they said oil money is coming in, the central bank is empty. Civil servants get paid by check, but there's no real cash in the bank. We hear money is coming to the country, but the central bank is empty. The Minister of Finance write check, but there's no real money. This shows the financial system is falling, Bullen said. Investors will not come to a country where their money is not safe, where the justice system is weak and corruption is everywhere. We need to stop fighting, make leaders responsible, and create a safe place for investors. Their view shows that South Sudan needs to fix money laws, build a strong institution, and grow more food at home to rely less on import. Only then can oil money help the country grow for a long time. My comment here, this shows that oil alone cannot fix South Sudan economy. The government must work on peace, fight corruption, and build a strong system to make sure money is used well and help the people. Without these changes, promises of recovery will stay just word. If you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to help me by hitting the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.